Hey puppy, you wanna meet me? What are you doing? My name is Jermaine. You come check me out. I'm a good guy. Can touch the ground and show you respect. You meet me? It's all good. See? All good. Come and shake hands. My pleasure meeting you, puppy. All good. What are you doing? Yeah, my name is Jermaine. What's your name? Wish you could talk, eh? Good boy. Good boy. My pleasure meeting you. My respect. You're a man's best friend. And you got a man right here talking with you. Petting you. Total stranger. This is life. This is meaningful in life. Nice to meet you, puppy. Are you the neighbor's dog? You look like a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Look at those ears. You can hear from a mile, eh? My pleasure. Just passing by. Take care, man. All the best to you.